Once we've unlocked the brain and we've reduced tension within the membranes, and we've also addressed the pelvic misalignments that can also occur with this, because the respiratory function of the whole system gets affected when there is traumatic brain injury and there's trauma to the skull. Once we've done that, we need to then train the brain. What I've learned through my hours and hours and study and months of traveling is that it's not just one approach, it has to be a multiple approach to all these things. And zone technique enabled me to facilitate healing, which superseded everything I'd ever achieved before. This technique was developed by Dr. Thurman Fleet, who developed the Concept Therapy School, and I actually learned this technique by a gentleman by the name of Pete Goldman, who, as far as I'm concerned, is a genius healer on this planet at the moment. And what he taught me was that there were 6 systems of the body, and this is well accepted in modern science and in all the healing arts. And those 6 systems are the glandular system, the eliminative system, the nerve system, the digestive system, and the circulatory system. And they have brain centers, or centers within the brain, which regulate these systems. If there is imbalance in one or more of those systems, that can lead to further dis-ease or lack of, or disharmony, if you like, within the body, and that can then lead to symptoms. So what I do, once I've addressed the structural component of the dysfunction, I then work on the neurological dysfunction, and by harmonizing the whole system, the body is able to then better adapt. And nature needs no help, it needs no interference, it just needs no interference. All my job is purely to remove the interference to allow the body's natural ability to heal.